Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Parsio AI account online on your computer. And now let's start writing. Now to sign up for a Parsio email data extractor AI account, first open up a preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address parsio.io and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Parsio. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, in order to sign up for a Parsio account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign up button available over here. In order to register an account, click on that, but if you have already created an account, you can log in from the button beside that. And over here guys, you can see this is the place to enter your email address or the registration page. But you can also see there is the sign in with Google button available for us. If you click on that sign in with Google button, you will be taken to the login page of your Google account, which opens from this button specifically. And if you log into that login page by your Google account with your Google account, you will be signed into your partial account without having to creating or without have to go through this manual registration. And with that being said guys, you can do that also. Let's enter our manual registration anyway. So let's enter our full name as it says like this guys. You can see I have entered the full name, and let's enter the email address with which we will be using the Parsio AI account later on. And add that into your password guys. And guys, after entering your full name, your email address, and your password, simply click on the Let's Get Started button available over here, and a verification link will be sent to you on your email address which you had just entered over here. And after that, go to your email address, open that verification link, click on it to verify that you are a human. And on the next process, you will be required to set up your Parsio AI account online. After you click on this Let's Get Started button, these all processes will start, but I have already created an account, so guys, I'll not be going through it. And with that being said, this is how you sign up for a Parsio IO account online on the computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.